Hello, so what I wanted to show you today is my side project. I had lying around an STM32F411 development board. There was in the drawer for years, and I really needed an external sound card with tone correction in it, which it basically can serve as, but I was not able to find any reasonable solution. So I searched, I combined, it's a work in progress. It will have a follow-up video with details on what it can do and how it can do. But what I wanted to show you today is basically the quickly created UI interface for this. Because for sure to control it, you have to have something. And in a quick search in my drawer, I found an OLED with 3 buttons, which was like, okay, it's not optimal, but it's good enough. So yeah, what I came up with, I will turn it on. What it has for sure is some tone correction in it. It has a small OLED, 128 by 32. And, well, so there are just 3 buttons. So with one, you are changing what would you like to select. The second one goes back, and for sure, if you select it, then the display is inverted, let's say, and you change with left and right the values. Yeah, some corner frequencies, the balance is there, and the gain. So maybe let me show you with music. Yeah, this is how it goes. There is a GitLab, open source GitLab project for this. I'll link in the description. If you're interested, just look at it. So the whole point of this video was to show you that even with just 3 buttons and a limited display, you can create a fairly usable user interface to control. But now I know that the final prototype will have more buttons for sure, because for daily use it will be a lot better. I just wanted to show you this version so you can compare with the final version. Yeah, thank you for watching and see you next time.